Searching for super secrets about making money online? We've got them. Making money online today is something that a lot of people consider doing because who wouldn't want to work from the comfort of your own home? If you desire to make a little extra cash online, or maybe one day earn a full-time income, then the following video was written for people like you. Continue on for solid tips on making money online. Watch out for scams that may be targeting you. Though lots of opportunities for income are out there, you need to be wary of disreputable ones. Look for reviews of potential plans before making any agreements. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. You may have to show proof of your identity prior to making cash online. A lot of places are going to want you to show ID and other forms of validation just like if you were going to work at a regular job. If you do not currently have your ID on digital file, make sure you get them before applying to make the process quicker. Now more than ever people make money online, and since you just came across a great video with excellent tips about the subject, it is your time to cash in. With these tips that you just read, use them wisely to help yourself gain a foothold in the internet cash-making marketplace. Keep learning, and always look for new ways to generate money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.